So the other day, I was cooking with Henry and Monique, and I fell asleep at the wheel, all right?
She's an L, so.
I know, that's what I'm saying, like, she's adamant.
And I burned the Serranos that were in the oven. And then I tasted the Serrano. Did y'all try those peppers? Did y'all eat one of them? Did you try one of these? How wild is that?
It's hot, but surprisingly does not have a really bad burnt.
No, I know. What I did after I tasted that was I grinded it into a paste, and then I put some olive oil, and I had this like burnt Serrano oil. Now I'm on one. Now I have to make this. So I bought half a pound of Serranos. Are you tracking with me? Half a pound of Serranos, and I'm thinking, where's my freaking? There we go. I'm thinking that I want them to be like even and thin. And look, my knife work it's fine. My knife work's fine, okay? This isn't a fucking Michelin star restaurant. I wouldn't take pictures of this though and post it because like I'm just gonna get made fun of for this. But look, if I want consistency, I really want to go with this guy. And if I want to chop my finger off, really, I guess this is where we're at. I have these stainless steel gloves, and the reason why is because I don't want to lose my fingertips. Oh, I'm excited. Okay, so this is getting oil and a little bit of salt, and that's it. 425 in the oven. Make sure that when you do this, don't wash your hands, and you make sure to touch the most sensitive parts of your body. I should probably do a high heat oil. So you could do olive oil, okay? But olive oil has a low smoke point, so it'll degrade at 425. So I'm thinking instead, choose some good old fashioned veggie oil, and not a lot. There you go. And I don't think a lot of salt either. I'm trying to remember. I don't think, like I want to pull some of that moisture out, but oh fuck yeah. You see this? Look at this. How beautiful is this? And this goes in the oven at 425 until it's like blackened, not blackened, charred, burnt. Like worrisome burnt. Where you're like, this isn't edible. It is edible because I ate it. It was great. I don't know why I'm yelling. The mic's right here. The mic's literally right here. I don't need to yell. Look at this. Look at, can I get the camera? Let me hide my face so it doesn't focus on my face. Is it? There. Is it focusing? So I'm just taking this and grinding this in the mortar and pestle or pestle. I want this to, I didn't want to beat this into a complete like powder because, I don't know. When I have like salsa matcha, I like it to be chunky. You can do whatever you want. It's your life. But in my life, I don't want it to be a complete powder. This looks like chewing tobacco. I may just start telling people that so that they don't eat it. I just don't know what type of oil to use, so. Because a lot of things have canola oil in them, right? We're gonna do two separate things. That's what we're gonna do. And the other one's gonna have olive oil. A little bit of olive oil in here. Just there to wet the old whistle. And again, just wet the old whistle. Oh, that's fascinating. It like completely absorbed that olive oil, and the veggie oil or the canola oil it didn't. A little bit more olive oil then. I want it to be it tastes like so now I'm gonna try the canola oil. The canola oil is definitely the winner. It just tastes like olive oil. This one right here tastes just like olive oil. This, you just get the flavor of the Serrano. I'm sort of sad I wasted half of it on that fucking olive oil. Get a half a pound of Serranos. I don't know why I'm yelling. I have a mic right here. Slice them real thin, burn them, and add some canola oil. And then put this on everything. Put it on, you know, birthday cake, ice cream, things, all the things. Oh, fuck, that's fucking good. Yeah.